Scholastic's new Jingle Jungle frame accents include 54 pieces, 6 each of 9 designs, perfect for classroom management. Introduce students to each other by affixing student photos in the frames at the beginning of the year. Have students match student names to the correct photo. Do you have 2 students that should never sit together? Separate them by assigning seating partners by writing student names in matching frames. Differentiate an instruction becomes a snap using frames to assign classroom groups. For instance, all the ovals come to my table, or only the purple ovals come to my table. Matching, patterning, sorting, and grouping games are easy to create. Ask students to match and sort frames by shape or color. Discuss which they have the most of and which they have the least of. Write uppercase and lowercase letters in frames to create a matching game. Write parts of speech on the frames, for example, nouns in blue squares and verbs in green squares. Students can sort the verbs and nouns into 2 stacks. Add other parts of speech to additional frames. Label paper bags with the different parts of speech and place the correlating accents into each. Have students select 1 frame from each bag, then create a sentence using those words. Write sight words on frames to create a word wall or a memory game. Cut photos from magazines that incorporate up to 9 different groups. For example, pets, food, farm animals, flowers, etc. Place all of one group on the same frame. For instance, place photos of flowers in yellow rectangles and photos of produce in purple rectangles. Mix 3 yellow rectangles and 1 purple rectangle. Ask students which doesn't belong. They are all plants, but only one is a food item, so it does not belong.